Welcome to the Nature Zachary Show. There's your host, Nature Zachary. And here we are at the pond we call the secret pond. We've been catching a lot of fish today, but Zach wants to catch something else. Yesterday we were here and we saw some baby turtles, and I mean baby turtles. They were like the size of a quarter. And we believed if we had a net, we could have caught them. So now we're going to look and we're going to see if we can catch one. Zach, what are you after today? What are you after today?
Oh, just trying to catch some turtles.
Catch some turtles. Well, let's see if we can spot some.
And we might as well. I spotted like this way.
Well, we'll look for them.
Yeah.
There's a little baby turtle, just like we were talking about. He's a little tiny guy. Let's see. Did I get? Oh my gosh!
Get him? Get him?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Nope.
Look how far I got him.
He got away.
Yeah, look how far I got him.
There we go. We got one.
Yeah, Dad.
All right, what's this one, kiddo? A bluegill?
Yeah.
Good.
That's first catch. Right.
Into the water. All right. We found this is a nice little area of this pond because it has this bush right here. And it creates shade right here, right this time of day. And the fish like the shade, I think, because, well, they don't want to be out in the sun either, and it just seems to work a little bit better in shady areas. So if you're not finding anything, try that. Try a shady area of the pond, if there is one. Because otherwise, I think they're very deep, probably in the middle, wherever the deepest part of the pond is. So, yeah, if they're not there, but they could come up into the shady areas. And you can see there's a lot of nice trees, nice big trees along the bank here, and it creates some nice shade different times of the day. We're catching some real big bluegills here. Let's see if Zach can pull in another one. You got one?
Yep.
Bring it up.
He's huge.
Yeah, let's see him.
He looks not
Whoa,
like a sunfish.
that is a big guy.
Oh, he has red eyes.
Oh yeah, buddy, look at this. This is not a bluegill. This is not a bluegill. This is what I think they call a pumpkin seed. Look at that. It's not a bluegill. It's your first non-bluegill panfish. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Here, let me. Can you get him off the hook?
Can I see? No.
Yeah, you can. That's easy.
Wait.
Yeah, they look like bluegill, but they're not. Here.
But they're bigger.
You hold the camera then.
Here. Alright guys, my dad is gonna release the... I just saw a splash, guys. Did you see that? It was like right over there.
Okay, here, show it again. See that? See this?
The red eyes?
He's not a bluegill.
Yeah.
You can see no bluegills, and yeah, well, he's neat. That's neat. I think it's what they call a pumpkin seed, buddy, or a warmouth, something like that. It's that's cool. Something different. And that fish caught was brought to you by Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings.
And guys, we have something to tell you.
I wish. We're not really. They don't really sponsor us, but you know, Red Bull, if you're watching, hey.
Yeah. And guys, we don't have a catchphrase, so guys, go on Instagram and comment below.
We don't have Instagram. Just comment below. Yeah, Zach's making a good point. He wants a catchphrase. This season, we're going to try to do a new catchphrase for him. But
alright, this is not the season for Arnie. This is #1 of the...
Yeah, this is a new season here, and we want to try to do a catchphrase, and he needs He needs one. So if you can think of a good one, comment below and see if you can come up with a good catchphrase for him. He's going to be trying some out. The next time he catches a fish, let's see if we'll see the next one he uses. All right, you got one? He's got one. All right. Well, see, and this looks just like a regular bluegill or sunfish because it's got the blue ears. Can you take them out?
No, I don't.
Zach's been better this year taking them out. If they didn't swallow the hook, he's pretty good at it. Oh, this one kind of swallowed it. All right, we'll get him off the hook and get back to it.
It's big! It's big!
All right, Zach's got something on the line. What do you got?
A bluegill!
Another bluegill. All right.
Can I see it? Can I see it for a second?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a bluegill or not.
I think so.
It has green, so I think it's a greenfish. I've never seen
Well, sometimes bluegills are known as green sunfish.
Yeah. Dad, look. I got one.
All right.
Huge!
All right, Zach just pulled another. Look at the size of that one. Show us. Put your hand up to that guy. Look at that. He is huge. He's like the size of my hand. Look at him compared to his face. Wow, that is definitely a bluegill. All right, let's get this guy off the hook.
Is he a bluegill?
Yes.
He's the big. It was that the size of the bluegill you caught? Okay.
All right, Zach's gonna cast this one. Wow, what a cast. I hope you can see that on video. That's such a far cast. This pole is great. We just bought it last summer. Well, at the end of summer. It was more like fall time, and I replaced it with one of the poles Zach dropped into the lake that was mine.
Sorry.
It happens. It's at the bottom of the lake. Never got that one back. So I bought this one to replace it at I think Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's, and it's been great. It's actually a really good pole in it, and especially even Zach's only 6, but he can cast it so far. It's a very nice pole. You got something?
No, I had it.
No, you had it. All right, he's gonna do another cast here. Let's watch. Yeah.
Oh my God. That's so there. Oh, I see a bass coming to it. I literally see a bass coming to it. That big one.
You'll know. Now, Zach, why aren't you wearing any kind of shoes?
Well, because I fell in the water.
You fell in the water?
Come on, it's huge.
What kind of person falls in the water?
I don't know.
Oh, good. Look, he got one. Yeah. All right.
The water's going crazy because of the fish.
Yeah. That's another bluegill for us.
Look at that.
You know, it's a 100-degree day here in Texas, but honestly, in this shade and with the breeze is coming this way right at us. It really hasn't been
I got
that
something
bad.
big. It's big.
Oh, he's got something big.
It jumped out of the water. Oh my goodness, guys.
Let's see.
The pumpkin seed. Wow.
Oh yeah, look at that guy. Oh, he's a pretty one. Look at that.
He doesn't have bluegills.
I think he's a bluegill. If they have this dark spot right there at the bottom of their dorsal fin, usually means they're a bluegill.
I'm gonna give them some air. I mean water. Caught a turtle.
All right, what do we get, Zach?
A turtle.
We caught a turtle. Hey, little guy. Come on out. It's just like the turtle we caught last year. There he goes. He's making it back to the water's edge, and in he goes. All right, there's a nice little turtle.
Yeah.
Looking for something a little bit smaller. That guy was kind of big. I mean, he was a little guy, but he wasn't a baby. All right, we rode in. All right.
Last fish of the day.
Last fish of the day, and as the sun sets on Nature Zachary in our first episode of the new season, he's going to be doing what he loves, catching fish and being in the outdoors. So thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time. We got a lot of fun things coming up this season.
And guys, if you comment below if it was hunting, you're wrong. If you comment below fishing, when I said in the worm video, you're correct. Because we are fishing.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.
Bye. And make sure subscribe, like, and comment below what our
The new catchphrase, right? Zach's looking for a catchphrase. See if you can give him one. All right. See you later. We got to get this guy back in.
Yep.